In the last class, we were doing the worksheet number 2 and we done some of the questions. What those questions are? Those questions are the first question which we have done is we have to identify, we have to find out the following phrases, the font of the following phrases. Okay, the first sentence which we got, the first sentence which we got is a bucket of flower. So it's a italics. Why? Because it's in the format of a I. It's in the format of a I. So if you see there are three formats given: bold, italic, and underline. Now if you see the second one is a bold. Why? Because it resemble this word be. Then we have a third sentence. A school of fish. So it's a italics. The same one with A. And question 1 part D is a herd of elephant. It's a group of elephant. So it's written in the underline format. In the underline format. Okay. So in the underline format, they are writing it. Now we wrote already this question number 1. For question number 2, we are saying that assume that we are typing. We are typing a document on the computer and notice the following errors. So there are some errors. So which key we will use to correct these mistakes? As I gave you the hint, left side, back space, right side, delete key. Means backspace erase the letter at left side and delete key erase the letter at the right side. So for the shining, we can use any key because on the both side we have a n. We can erase it from anywhere, one of the side. But here the right spelling for coming is coming. So we have to erase m on the left side. So it's a backspace. For computer, we have a u on the right side. So we can use the delete key. Now we are at the fourth one. The fourth one is library. The correct spelling is Library. So what is the word we have to erase? Which word we have to erase? Y or A? First, tell me what word we have to erase. Y or A? Okay. So we have, that's good. Hamidu Al-Harbi. Hamidu sent that sign of the typing. Okay. So we have to erase A. That's good, Farooq. Now, now we have to erase A. Just see the erase on the left side or erase on the right side. On which side we have to erase? The cursor is there. The cursor is at the red arrow. If you see, we have to erase it on the left side or on the right side. So as I told you that on the left side which key will you have to use and on the right side which key you have to utilize. So what is the answer for the option D? Backspace key or the delete key? What do you think? Okay, Saud, Ayan. Okay, two students give the answer. That's good. Only two. Yes, Mohammed Farooq, we have to erase A. But what we have to use now? Backspace or delete? Hamidu Al Harbi, Ayan, Saud, Adam. Adam, can you check your answer, please? Everybody close their videos, please. Ali Nizar, that's good. So Ali Nizar, Saud, Adam, Hamidu Al Harbi. Hamidu, kindly check your spelling, please. Ayan, and we have okay. So we have. to use a backspace. We can use the backspace. Abdul Aziz Muhammad, you are very much right. It's a backspace. Muhammad Farooq, Sharif, it's a backspace. Okay. Ayman, can you tell us a spelling of backspace?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
L L I D R A
No,
R
I'm asking for
A.
backspace.
What?
Spelling of backspace. Back.
Here?
Are you there? Ayman? Okay, Adam. Adam, are you listening to me? There are two Adam in the class. One is,
Yes,
yes.
sir, I am Abdul Rahim.
Okay, but your name is showing Adam. Okay, Abdul
Okay,
Rahim.
I will change. I will change.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. Abdul Rahim, can you tell me the spelling of backspace?
Backpace.
Can you repeat it once more?
Back.
Yes, it's correct. What about the space?
Space.
That's good. Now it's correct. Very good. Okay. So, Rafiq, Rafiq Samir, can you tell us a spelling of backspace?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
B A C K S B A C E.
Okay. Rafiq, tell me, it's a P or B? SP or SB?
S B
It's
P
SP.
P.
P. Okay, that's good. So it's a SP. Okay. So we see the spelling of backspace and some students explains us a spelling. Okay. So we have Sharif. Sharif, can you tell us a spelling of delete? Yes. Could you kindly repeat it because your voice is not coming clearly? It's DE what? Okay. Okay. Sharif, can you tell us the spelling of delete? Sorry, South, South. Yes, South.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us the
Backspace
spelling of
key.
delete? Sorry?
Backspace key. Library. Backspace key. Like you.
No, I am asking. I am just asking. See, I put the arrow there. I put the arrow there and the circle there. You just have to read it. I am just asking the spelling of delete. It's written there. I made a arrow on that. See, like this, I made a arrow. It's a delete. I'm just asking what is the spelling of delete. You just have to read it. So I'm just asking this thing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Makinil. Makinil, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the spelling of delete?
Delete.
No, kindly check it. Check my see my screen. D E.
Delete.
Good. That's good. Very good. So Makinil told the spelling to the class that it's DELETE. It's a delete. Both keys, both the keys delete and backspace, both are used for erasing the data. Both are using for erasing the word, letters, and the numbers. But the difference between both of them is backspace moves towards, erase towards at left side, and delete key erase or move towards the right side of data. Erase the data of right side. So this is the basic difference. Backspace left, delete right. Moving towards the next question. Question number 3. The question number 3 is there. The part A of question 3 is showing us that the poem I write, the poem I write on a computer is called a software, document, or word processor. What do you think? The poem, I am typing a poem, or you are typing a poem. So the poem you are writing on a computer, it is called software or document or word processor. What do you think? You can send the answer in the chat. Okay. So the first one who sent the answer in the chat, it's Muhammad Asad. Then Rafiq, that's good. Rafiq, kindly check your answer. Then Ayan, Hamido, Saud, Ali Nizar. Sami, check your answer, please. Monthar is correct. That's good. So, so all these students, the names which I took, all these students sent the correct answer. Mohammad Farooq also sent the correct answer. So the poem I write on a computer is called a dash. Okay. Os, what is the answer?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for question 3A?
A tree.
Yes, what is the answer?
You.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Words. Processing.
Okay. So you are saying word processor? Okay, let's see. Let's see who we have. Ali Nizar. Ali Nizar, can you tell me the answer for the question 3A? Ah, that's good. That's good. Ali Nizar. Okay. Hamido Al Harbi. Hamido Al Harbi. Yes, Hamido, are you listening to me?
Yes.
What is the answer for question 3A?
Documents.
Document. Excellent. That's good. That's nice. So the right answer is the poem, the essay, the words, the numbers, whatever you are typing on a computer, that thing is called as a document. So because you are making a document for you, for numbers, for details, for school, for subject, for anything, whatever you are typing, that typing is called as a document in the word processor. But ultimately, the poem which I write on a computer is called document. Mehraj, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Mehraj, what is the spelling of document?
Document.
Excellent, superb, splendid job
Document.
done by the Mehraj. Mehraj, can you repeat it once more?
Document.
See, very good. So Mehraj confidently tell the spelling of document to the whole class. It's document. It's a document. Excellent, Mehraj. Excellent. Okay. So let me make it prominent. The right answer for the question 3A, it's a document. Okay. So moving towards the question 3B. The 3B question is saying a program A program is also called software, document, or menu. Software,
Document.
so, software, document, or menu. A program also called software, document, or menu. So what is the answer? It's a question 3B. A program. What is another name of program? Software, document, or menu? Yes. What is another name for the program? Software, document, or menu? What do you think? So only two students sent the correct answer. It's Mohammad Asad and Mohammad Asad. Because Mohammad Asad sent the answer two times, that's good, Asad. So Asad is the only one who sent the answer for question 3B. What about the others? A program. We use so many program. That's good. Ali Nizar give the correct answer. South. The students whose name which I am not taking, kindly check their answers. I'm taking the name of those students who are sending the correct answer. So till now, who sent the correct answer? Let me take the name. It's Mohammad Asad, Ali Nizar, Saud, and Hamidul Arabi. Only these students give the correct answers. Other students, those students who sent the answer, those answers are wrong. Okay. Ammar sent a correct answer. That's good, Ammar. Okay. So let's see. Ayat Shami. Are you listening to me, Ayat Shami? Ayat, are you there? Okay. Mohammad Al Sughair. Mohammad Al Sughair, are you there? So, question number 3. Mohammad Farooq. What is the answer, Mohammad Farooq? Mohammad Farooq, are you there? Umar Shahir. Umar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the answer for this question?
Software.
Oh, that's good. So, Umar exactly picked the correct answer. It's a software. The another name of a program is called software. So, a program is also called the software. That's nice. That's good. Ahmad Al Rufai. Ahmad Al Rufai, can you read the spelling of software?
Yes. Soft
W.
Ware.
That's good, Ahmad Al Rufai. Very good. Suleiman Saleh. Suleiman Saleh, are you listening to
Ye-
me?
yes.
Can you read the spelling of software for the class?
Okay. A program is also called software.
Can you read the spelling of software?
That means I tell the letters one by one.
Yes, yes, you have to tell the letters one by one.
Software.
Oh, that's splendid, Suleiman. That's splendid. Okay. So, Ahmad Al Rufai and Suleiman Saleh. Both these guys tell the spelling very confidently and very good. That's excellent. Both of you guys. Okay. Whosoever is participating in the chat and in the class, they all are doing great. So, Monthar also sent the correct answer. Now, the correct answer for question 3B is software. Now we are moving towards the next question. The next question is showing us that the words that we enter into the computer are called numbers, are called letters, or are called text. What do you think? The numbers we enter into the computer are called what? Are called letters, numbers, or text. Letters are ABCD. Numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And text include both the number and letter. So what do you think? I gave a hint. So till now only Hamido Al Harbi sent the correct answer. Mohammad Asad, that's good. Mohammad Sami, Mehraj, Saud, all these guys sent the correct answer in the chat. Suleiman Al Suhaibani, excellent Suleiman. That's good. Ilyas, very nice. So Sharif, Ayan, Ahmad Al Rufi, Al Rufai, that's nice. That's good. Mohammad Said Badir. Mohammad Said Badir, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mohammad Said, what is the answer for this question? What do you think?
This.
This one in the box, the question in the box.
Okay.
The words that we enter into the computer are called numbers.
Text. Text.
Okay, so see, for example, we are writing address. We are writing a address. So address are also the words, but in those words there are some numbers. Yes or no? For example, we are writing a word, enter your telephone number, and someone is typing the telephone number. So along with those words, there are some numbers. There are dots. There are some commas. There are some commas. We put the full stop at the end. We put the comma. We put the dash. We put at the rate sign in Gmail. For example, someone is asking, what is your email? The word is English, but you are using at the rate. So at the rate is not a alphabet. At the rate is something else. So ultimately, the correct answer for C is text. Ali Nizar, Mishari, Mohammad Farooq, Monthar, all these guys sent the correct answer for this one. Excellent. All the names which I took earlier, Amgad Muhammad, Saud, Suleiman Saleh, all these guys already sent it. Mehraj, all these guys. So the right answer is text. The right answer is text. It's Text. Okay. So the answer is there. Now, question number D. A set of characters displayed in a special size or shape is called dash. A special size or shape is called dash. So it's very easy. It's very easy. I will tell you the answer. Oh wow, that's good. Before telling answer, those guys already sent the answers. That's good. So it's Hamido Al Harbi. Who else is there? One more is there. Excellent, excellent. Suleiman. Suleiman is the first one who sent the answer. Excellent, Suleiman. So Suleiman, Hamido Al Harbi, Ayan, Mohammad Asad, Mehraj, Mohammad Farooq, Adam Khalid, Saud, Sharif, Ahmad Al Rufai, Mishari, Ilyas. All these guys sent the correct answers. Mohammad Sami.
Yes,
Mohammad
sir.
Sami, can you tell the answer for this question?
A set of a set
Okay, the question is a set of characters displayed in a special size or shape is called dash. Okay, I'm giving you the hint. Option B is wrong. Option A or option C? What do you think?
Font.
Font. That's good. Can you read the spelling of font?
FONT.
Good. That's good. So the correct answer is font. So the spelling of font is FONT. Okay. So we are moving towards the last question of this worksheet. Correcting mistakes is called dash. Correcting mistakes is called dash. Erasing, editing, or deleting. You can send the answer in the chat like A, B, or C. What's your answer? So, Suleiman Al Sohabani, excellent. Suleiman, again give the answer first in the chat. Excellent, Suleiman. Mohammad Asad. Okay. So, Suleiman, Hamidu Al Harbi, Ayan, Saud, Farooq, Asad, Mehraj, Mehraj. Okay. Hamidu Al Harbi, Sharif, Ali Nizar. All these guys sent the correct answer. The correct answer, Ilyas also sent the correct one. Very good, Sir Ilyas. Suleiman Soleh, you are right. Ahmad Al Rufai, that's good. Majd Awad. Majd Awad, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for this question?
Yes.
A, B, or C?
A.
You are saying A?
A.
Okay. Okay.
C.
You are saying C? Okay, wait for a second. So, okay. So, he gave two answers. Yes, Adam. What is the answer for this question, Adam? Adam, are you there? Yes, Rafiq.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for this question?
Number A.
Number A, you are saying erasing?
The number C.
Okay, let's see. Mohammad Farooq. Yes, Mohammad Farooq. What is the answer for this one? Suleiman. Suleiman Al Sobani.
Think.
What is the answer?
B.
B. Can you read the word?
Editing.
Editing. Very good. Can you read the spelling, please?
Correcting.
Just read the spelling. E-D-I. In this way, you can read the spell.
Editing.
G. That's good. So it's editing. Correcting a mistakes. In correcting a errors in a document is called editing. Someone is saying that we are editing a document. It means that we are correcting the mistakes. We are correcting the mistakes. Okay. In this way, we are correcting our mistakes. So editing means correcting a mistake. Let me repeat the questions which we have done. The answer of question number 2, D, is backspace. Answer of question number 3 is a document. 3A is a document. Answer of question 3B is a software. Answer of question 3C is a text. Answer of 3D is a font, and answer of 3E is a editing. Okay. So now my question is, what is the spelling of a mouse? What is the spelling of a mouse? Let's see who knows it. Let me ask. Ahmad Yusuf. Yes, Ahmad Yusuf, can you tell us the spelling of mouse?
Editing.
Editing is the right answer. You are right. Can you tell us the spelling of mouse? Mouse.
Mouse.
Yes.
Mouse.
Excellent. That's good, Ahmad Yusuf. It's Mouse. Can you repeat it for the class again?
Mouse.
That's good, Ahmad Yusuf. So, Ahmad Al Rufai, can you tell us the spelling of keyboard?
C.
No, K.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. The spelling of keyboard.
K.
K-E-Y.
E.
Good.
Y.
That's nice.
C.
Good.
O. A. R.
After R we have D. At the end we have D. Okay. So we have keyboard. Okay, let's see who we have. Ilyas. Ilyas, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Ilyas, can you tell us the spelling of monitor? Monitor.
Monitor.
Monitor. Can you tell us the spelling? Yes.
M-O.
Good.
N.
Good.
E.
Moni. M-O-N-I.
E.
No, M-O-N-I. Repeat with me.
Monitor.
Say M-O-N-I.
M-O-N-I.
T-O-R. T.
M-O-N-I-T-I-R.
M-O-N-I. Say T-O-R. It's T-O-R. Okay. So, along with it, we are come to the end of the period. There is an assignment waiting for you in the class light. Everybody open that assignment. And we will meet in the next class, inshallah. So, have a nice day and have a nice weekend to everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye, all of you.
Bye, sir.